Yo, what up, YouTube? Go Blast Noise here. So I was at a card show recently, picked up 2 prismatic packs, so we're gonna see if we can pull anything. So right now, I guess whether the right pack or the left pack's gonna have something cool. And yeah, let's get to crack and see if I can pull something. All right, come on. Lucha, Iron Boulder, Houndour, and a Glaceon Hollow. All right, come on. Maybe. Litleo, Lucha, a Dunsparce Pokeball, Slowking, Leafeon Hollow. Nothing crazy, but got a Dunsparce Pokeball. So yeah, turn that volume up way past 11. And as always, go Blast Noise.